A remarkable name. Isn't it? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, this moment is the second to advise yourself about it. It might appear to be a tale, yet that is the manner by which this extraordinary computerized caches process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this odd however particularly alluring name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of dog called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. After that, this quickly developing digital money turned into a popular name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin was made only for transparency with the mascot of the previously mentioned Japanese canine by software engineer Billy Marcus and advertiser Jackson Palmer in December 2013. Palmer left the organization in 2015, however Marcus remains its lead engineer even today. Despite the fact that it's shrouded in a funny facade, Dogecoin's engineers have demanded that they take the task and their obligation to clients genuinely throughout the long term. As proof, the organization would try and set out on a few prominent examinations in cryptographic money plan. To be sure, Doge has demonstrated its courage as well. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most famous purposes of Dogecoin is tipping individual web participants who create or share extraordinary substance. It bears more worth principally because of its easy-to-use framework. No shrewd preparation, no extraordinary mastery required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any merchandise in general stores through visas. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital currency that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known internet image. A decision element of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more compelling way than just like on any virtual entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be intrigued to purchase Dogecoin. Ceaseless web-based entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin cryptographic money to continuously surpass recently sent-off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Doge may be among the absolute most critical and spry networks in the digital money world. In addition to the fact that the action limited to is exchanging, however, this gathering of Dogecoin people group is likewise noted for its generous commitment. According to the Dogecoin news update, the cash needs to justify significant tasks it will in general subsidize, and Dogecoin has prevailed with regards to supporting NASCAR. The Doge people group utilizes its eyes to help great goals all around the crypto space. In 2014, the Dogecoin people group raised $50,000 to assist with sending the Jamaican bobsled group to the Sochi Winter Olympics. For World Water Day, March 22, 2014, Faithful Shibes raised $30,000 to assist with building clean water wells in the Tana Valley, Kenya. Shibes has even attempted NASCAR, North American Stock Car Auto Racing. In March 2014, Shibes paid $55,000 to support a driver named Josh Wise. Savvy dashed in a Dogecoin NASCAR-themed vehicle. Jackson Palmer, a maker of Dogecoin, accepts Dogecoin's prosperity shows the way in which far cryptographic money wandered from its unique objectives. I have a ton of confidence in the Dogecoin Center Advancement Group to keep the product steady and secure, however I think it says a great deal regarding the condition of the cryptographic money space overall, that a cache with a canine on it, which hasn't delivered a product update in more than 2 years, has a $1 billion plus market cap. Dogecoin, Doge. The ingredient weave. The central thing that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are formed to the point that they have a hard inventory cap of monetary standards. The likely issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it might as of now not be productive for excavators to keep on supporting the framework. This prompts an ascent in gigantic high expenses to empower diggers or exceptionally postponed or late exchange processes, as there would be no issue with handling network exchanges. An administration or bank is an incorporated establishment that can truly print its own cash. Interestingly, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and so forth adopt a decentralized strategy to delivering new tokens, and their local area makes Doge. As conveyed herein before, auxiliary proof of work, POW, shapes the premise behind the working of Doge, empowering diggers to deal with Dogecoin exchanges by utilizing their registering ability to tackle convoluted conditions. When the condition is tackled, another block is added to the Dogecoin organization, and the digger is compensated with Doge. This prize framework functions as a two-dimensional system. 1. It urges excavators to permit processing ability to finish exchanges on the Dogecoin blockchain, and 2. It directs the production of new Doge, which is then dispersed by diggers. The tipping administration permits the client to send fast gifts to different clients on Twitter and Reddit. According to GovCapital's Doge gauge, the cost will be around $0.162 in 1 year. While in the following 5 years, the cost will reach $0.867. In view of the Dogecoin value expectation of digital coin price, Doge might exchange at $0.0845 toward the finish of 2022, 13 cents by 2025, and 29 cents by 2030. According to Price Predictions Examination, Dogecoin will be a productive interest over the long haul. As per the Dogecoin cost expectation, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. As per Trading Beast's cost forecast, the base cost of the coin will be around $0.0830920 toward the finish of 2023, and the greatest cost may be $0.1221941. Dogecoin Technical Analysis. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when essentials never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the principles are being modified or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another flood of development. Furthermore, in that wave, new sorts of resources could have a decent spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrendous to those trapped in the change. Vulnerability isn't really great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't great for progress. No big surprise, not at all like all cryptographic forms of money, Dogecoin esteem also was powerless to the high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost changes. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in